Materials scientists in Singapore have developed a reusable nanotech mask that can filter out 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, and particles. In addition to filtering, the mask has the ability to kill these bacteria as well. The mask comprises two key components: an antimicrobial coating made from copper nanoparticles, which is coated on a fabric mask with a unique dielectric property that attracts germs and particles. Its filtration efficiency surpasses those of N95 masks. Its antimicrobial coating kills bacteria within 45 seconds and is effective for at least 144 hours. The bacteria killing efficiency is up to 99.9%, and it even destroys multi-drug resistant bacteria. The mask can also be washed and reused more than 10 times before losing filtration efficiency, making it more sustainable than current one-use disposable masks.